office u district sports officer ribohoi district nongpo ha ka jingyas nok tilang bat ka office u BDO Umling C&RD Block menta ka sngi ka laipo treguri sao kala penkut no ya ka lempung jongki samla kabalatip kum ka first block level chief minister youth engagement program Hajar Arpusan kabadei halor kapang empowered youth empowered Meghalaya kaba sngi lenter kabala penlong ha district library kabadang hap ha Umling C&RD Block katei ka lempung ki samla kabala penlong ha Umling C&RD Block lasdang nin ka sngi ka arp khandai treguri sao ha kabalawan ban pli da u BDO ka Umling C&RD Block uba Eric Calvin Dekhar ha ka jingya don lang uba Bobby El Nongbet u district sports officer nongpo kakong Rida Landem PTI District Sports Office nongpo lembat kiwe de ha ka ne ka program ka ba sngi la saki ya ki jing Yakob baper ka ba kentup ya ka jing Yakob draw bat airong ka jing Yakob tem ka jing Yakob ruai bat syat tenrai ka quiz competition lembat kiwe ha ka balawan bani Shim dagi khun samla kenthei bat chenrang jong ka Umling C&RD Block bat na pedeng kite ki samla na kaliang ka office U DSO kalajit nripu prangut ki samla ki ba kansai tam ki ban ye Shim pat sya ka district level ban ye kop pen isapat bat kiwe ki block na ribhoi ha ka ne ka sngi penkut lawan ban penhap perdano dau ba meral bonds im u MLA ka nongpo constituency ha ka jingya don rangkat u Dr. Celestine Lengdo u MLA ka Umsning constituency ha ka jingya sakilang u BDO ka Umling C&RD Block uba Eric Calvin Dekhar uba Bobby El Nongbet u district sports officer nongpo ki khna school bat ki no hikai na kalian ka office u DSO kila sami ya ki khusnam syabaro ki nong job bat ya ki sernot syabaro ki balawan ban ya shimenta ha ka te ka lempung ka ba arsngi
data that has been made by various agencies of central government and state government with regards to education, with regards to other parameters that we have, but still we are improving now. So the youth of the day, you have full responsibility. You have to take that responsibility to ensure that the future is yours, and to ensure that in different parameters that we have, to be at par with other districts or with other states of our country, it depends on all of you. You will do well in your study, you may be placed well in various departments or as entrepreneur or anyone in your life, but the main responsibility that you should have is that to be a human being, a good human being who will contribute for a better society. Jadi berkait dengan desa, iyo, inilah kami macam dari kekomsan dalam penlong upriu dan kabriu di bawah dan akor betul-betul lebat di bawah sengan nak bynta kalau itu pesawat. It is very important that through this kind of program, an engagement or exchange program, in the previous year it was conducted at the district level, but this is the first time that it has been conducted at the block level. We have heard from the organizer that there is less participant in Umling C&RD. There are various reasons, maybe due to preparation for exams. Most of you will have exam in November, and especially for those who will appear for SSLC, HSLC, you have to prepare yourself. Maybe other reasons also are there. So the timing also, just now I heard that the district level will be on the 12, 13, 14 of November, right during exam time. So there will be difficulty for participants to actively participate. So in due course of time, my suggestion is that it should be somewhere where after exam or much ahead before exam, so that it won't affect the student participants. Most of the participants here, they are students in school or colleges. So actively participants who have come here will hope that you will carry forward all the goodwill, the good wish, all the lessons that you have learned from here, the experience that you have gained from this engagement program. I remember last year also at the district level, we have seen many talents who have represented from the district to the state level. And this year, especially, it has been spread at the block level. I'm not wrong to say that this is a platform, an opportunity to each and every one of you to have a total representation from each.